Well, just when you think you're done with brakes, the one wheel that you didn't recondition the cylinder is leaking. Nah, this thing was barely leaking. My shoes are soaked. The drum is soaked. It's just leaking all over the place. Alright, so what do we got? We're at the end of April here, April 21st. It is the first day that has broke 50 degrees here in quite some time. So I took off the half shaft, extra shaft, CV joints, whatever you want. Whatever! Because this boot here is torn all the way. So this was the lowermost position, and this was this is rusted, this is pitted. So that's going to make some noise, and amongst other things, let's see if we can see in here. So you can see there's some pitting in that one. See, there's some grossness in that one. So it probably needs a new CV joint, you know. But not today. So they're getting cleaned, it's getting packed, and it's going back in. Alright. So fixed my brakes. Got the new boot in there. She's in there and she moves. So we'll find out soon enough how well it moves. Okay. So here we have shift rod. There's this let's see right here. That is the front guide bushing here. And when we're in gear, things are okay. There's some slop there. Connected. Got some more play there. As we go. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's gone. There's supposed to be a shuttlecock in there, and it is not. Okay, so here's the old front guide bushing here. It's a little distorted from me trying to get it out. So anyways, this had play in it. I mean, not only would it wobble around in here, but it would also pull up and down. This new one doesn't have any of that, and it definitely has more. There's definitely more of a thickness in the diameter. So, God, I'm really hoping that was the worn part. It took a while, but she's finally got some air filters. Not sucking in all that crap. They're chrome. I just don't want to take off the protective film. So, hey. Don't tip the boat over. And you want me to get out, or are you just going to go for it? You got an idea of where the sides are?
I can stop. I can feel it.
Oh, now you're going to... You want to put the parking brake on? I'll push in the parking brake. Yeah, now you want me to go? Oh shit, the steering wheel's slipping down.
Okay.
What do you want?